Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another na Huaʻōlelo o ka Malama. These are brought to you by Partners Development Foundation. Our theme for this month is Na mea Huaʻōlelo o ka Mauliola Hawaii. From the Hawaiian words that we have, how life is given, so values that we have in our Hawaiian language. LŌKAHI is this month's word. Unity, agreement, accord, unison, harmony. We use the acronym L, and we have this word in our Hawaiian language, Laulima. Cooperation, unity, agree, from the term lau, meaning many, lima, hands, many hands. Ua koke pau ka hana ma kākou hana Laulima. The task was quickly completed because of our cooperation. A wonderful value we have in our Hawaiian language. Wishing you the best from Partners in Development Foundation. I'ola ka'olelo Hawaii. Aloha.